track and field analyst Dwayne Extol says it would have been always challenging for Corey Bennett, even as he decided to discontinue coaching two high schools for the foreseeable future. Bennett was in charge of both Hydel High and Calabar for the past 3 seasons. However, while Hydel won their second girls' champs title in March, Calabar ended second behind Kingston College on the boys' side. Extol listed one problem that prevented this project from being successful.
His availability to both schools and how much he can give, because it is taxing to perform at a high level with teams like Hydel and Calabar. Calabar have won 28 titles, Hydel now with 2.
Once, yeah. And with the struggles of having to coach 2 schools, Extol says that Bennett did a good job.
Bennett was trying to do. It was a difficult task from the jump, but I think he performed credibly, especially winning 2 titles with Hydel and getting Calabar up to second this year at the recent Boys and Girls Champs.
Extol also thinks this is a good move for the almost 30-year veteran.
I think this move away for him now gives him more time to spend with his family, more time to manage the other things that he has on his plate. And it gives him an opportunity to say that, he tried, didn't work out, but he gained a lot of experience from it.
Bennett made the announcement about his decision to coach only one team in the future on Monday during Sports Grill on Hits 92 FM. And just getting back to Grand Slam track, the world leading time and the national record time run by Masai Russell at Grand Slam track's meet in Miami at the moment was actually 12.17 seconds. Now, Jamaica.